In today's video, we're taking a look at how to make banana oats pancakes. Easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do it. Everything that we use on the video, including the recipe and any links, we'll leave it in the description of the video. For this recipe, you can use a blender, a food processor, you can even smash it by hand, and like that, you also get a workout and save a couple of bucks from the gym membership. The first ingredient is 2 eggs. You can also use just egg whites. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and this could be optional, which is about 4 grams. 2 bananas, the riper the better. A pinch of salt. Half a cup of instant oats, or about 50 grams. And our last ingredient is 1 teaspoon of powdered cinnamon, which is about 4 grams. Now we're ready to mix, or smash, or blend, or process. Whichever method you use is awesome, because you're awesome. And you are the king or queen, or both, or none of your castle. Now that we have everything well mixed, we're ready to make some pancakes. We want to heat your favorite pan or skillet, spray it down with some oil, and place it from either 250 degrees to 300, or medium low, or from the number 3 to the number 5. And this is when knowing your cooking vessel comes into play, because you don't want to go too high that you burn it, but you don't want to go too low that it undercooks. Once the pan or skillet is hot, we're ready to pour our batter. The size of your pancake is up to you. If you want medium-sized pancakes, half a cup should do the trick. If you're looking for large pancakes, you can go all the way up to 1 cup of batter. And remember, you can always multiply the amount of the recipe if you want to make more, or the other way around if you want to make less. When we start seeing bubbles appearing and an outer rim of cooked pancake, that means we're ready to flip. And you can show the world your technique of flipping pancakes. Let them admire your work. We let it cook a little bit more, and now you're done. Now you can add this healthy option to your arsenal. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, that really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone from the StatUpBox team or the YouTube community can help you with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.